Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie and see the world. First, gather your ingredients. About 6 medium apples, 2 pie crusts, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of flour, and spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This foundational step is crucial for a perfectly baked pie, setting the stage for both culinary success and future adventures. Now, let's assemble your masterpiece. After preparing your apples, gently mix them with the sugar, flour, and spices. Arrange this flavorful mixture evenly in your bottom pie crust. Carefully place the second crust over the top, crimping the edges to seal. Don't forget to cut a few small slits in the top crust for steam to escape. Bake for 15 minutes at 425 degrees, then reduce to 375 degrees. Continue baking your pie at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for another 35 to 45 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling. Once baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack. This cooling time is essential for the filling to set properly. To fund your travels, consider selling your delicious pies for around $25 each. Imagine, just 20 pies could earn you $500 towards your next adventure. With your pie-making skills honed and your travel fund growing, it's time to plan your adventures. Research exciting destinations and set a clear financial goal for your trips. Perhaps you'll explore the orchards of France or taste apple desserts in Germany. Each pie you bake brings you closer to experiencing new cultures and creating unforgettable memories. Happy baking and happy travels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.